How to change phone number in TD Bank. For this, open a browser and search for www.td.com. Then you will land in this web page where you have to tap on this login option and select the option of Easy Web. Now wait for it to load to your credentials. Enter your username or access card and also enter your password, then tap on Login. Also tap on Forgot your username or password if you have forgotten any of the credentials. Once you do this, you will land here where you have to tap on My Account and head to Password and Security and tap on the Edit option. From here, tap on Security Code Phone Number List and tap on the pencil icon to edit your phone number. Since it is also a two authentication step phone number, you have to verify your number once you have entered it. Then it will send you an OTP for which you have to go ahead and copy and paste in this dialog box right here. Then tap on the option of Enter. You can also select a text option here. Once you have been verified that it is really you and you want to change your phone number, it will also be set as your two-factor verification phone number. So once you are trying to log in, it will always send you an OTP in that designated phone number. So make sure you have entered your phone number correctly. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.